Here I have ALLVIEW X2 Xtreme, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen, tap Settings. Let's scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose Advanced Settings. Now select the language and input, it's under System. Let's tap on the languages, and here we've got the full list of available languages that you can use. So in my case, let me choose, for example, the Espanol from España. And as you can see right now, I'm using the settings in Spanish, and also I can see that all applications goes into Spanish. Now if you would like to go back to previous version, just tap Ajustes, scroll down, choose here Advanced Settings, scroll down and choose Idioma y Traducción de Texto, choose Idioma, and from the following list let me choose English, for instance from United States. So that's it, you can go back. As you can see right now, we are using the English version of your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.